Hi, I'm Dr. Nari Jeter. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and an associate teaching professor in human development and family science.
I'm Dr. Spencer Youngberg, and I am teaching faculty here, and I'm the assistant clinic director up at the Center for Couple and Family Therapy Clinic. And I'm here to give you some tips on how to have a more healthy relationship.
It seems really hard to find a good relationship these days, and I would say that is related to two specific reasons. One is we just have really high standards for relationships. We're in an age where there's so much information about emotional maturity and healing and growth and communication, and so now we're expecting those things in our relationship. And I think the other thing that really has made relationships finding more difficult is mobility and technology. So we're a mobile society. We can now easily have long distance relationships, and because of that, that really opens up our choices.
Spend time together, and I know that can be uncomfortable, right? That can make people anxious to see each other in person. But it's a piece that we're missing now because we're engaging so much over social media and via screens that we do and say things that we would not or do not when we're in person. And so it makes it more difficult to have a lasting relationship in those ways.
It is a phenomenon that someone can like someone but also push them away. And I would say the biggest part of that is vulnerability. When we like someone, we have to make ourselves vulnerable. We have to show them all the different sides of ourselves. And if we're unsure about some parts of ourselves, if we're feeling lack of confidence or maybe low self-esteem in some areas, we may really question if we should show those personal sides of ourselves and fear rejection.
We're often encouraged to engage in what we call self-care, and I think that's kind of like a buzzword now that a lot of people talk about. But what it really means is doing things to take care of yourself so that you can take care of other people in their relationships and in your personal relationships. And so what I would say is don't be afraid to have different interests in your relationships. Do those things for yourself to help take care of that self-care and engage in things that you like that allow you then to give to those relationships.
Balancing time apart and time together is actually a really big conflict in relationships. People want to have their own lives while also having relationships. I would encourage couples to talk about your social styles and talk about your need for space and downtime. You shouldn't expect your partner to be like you or automatically understand you. So it's really an art of negotiating and understanding that time apart doesn't mean you don't want to be with your partner. It's just a time to focus on your own self-care, studying, doing the things you want to do, but also maximizing your expectations on what you do when you're together. I hope you have a very happy and loving Valentine's Day.
All right, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope that you have a good time this Saturday.